guys, this is the giveaway item. It's a 3/8 air regulator. What's up guys, welcome to the Modded Projects Garage. If you guys are new here, think about hitting that subscribe button if you're into C5 content, square body Chevy or 3rd gen Camaro. We're really focusing on the C5 right now at the time of this upload. But I just want to say thank you for everybody that has subscribed to my channel. We hit the 100 subscriber mark last week, and we are doing the 100 subscriber giveaway. All the rules and stuff for that will be at the end of this video. We took out the C5 after the Speed Engineering header and X-pipe install, and it made a huge difference, guys, in my opinion. I feel like the car has a little bit more go now, and the sound definitely got way better. It's a little bit louder at idle, but a lot louder at wide open throttle. I don't know if it's from the catless X-pipe or whatever, but yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into that video. Alright, I just want to make another note before we get in the video. After I installed my headers, my spark plug wires were actually sitting really close to the header, and I picked up some heat sleeves to go over that. And the nice thing about these is they actually fit over the factory heat shield here on the spark plug boot. If you guys have been to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, more than likely they're going to be selling these for two for $20, and that just seems like a lot of money for these. I actually went on eBay and picked these up for $17.99. So shop online for these guys, unless you have a local store that's selling them really cheap. But yeah, I picked up 8 of these for 18 bucks. So if you guys have headers on your C5 or anything really, and the spark plug wires are sitting close, pick some of these up. These ones fit perfect. They go right over and they give a little bit of color underneath the hood. So all right, let's get in the video. All right guys, we're gonna go for a little spin here now that we got the headers on the C5. The check engine light is on. I did go for a little cruise earlier, and it turned the check engine light on because I don't have the rear O2s on. On the first cruise, the gas gauge completely just tanked to 0, and then it said no fuel, whatever, and it had like 3/4 of a tank, so that was odd, but it's working now, so just rolling with that. Now I got like a little squeak. I think it's coming from it's either the harmonic balancer starting to go out, or it's a belt or tensioner or something in there, but it's not real loud, but I can hear it driving. So that's gonna have to be something that's gonna have to get fixed here soon. Hopefully it doesn't cause any serious issues. I don't think it will, but it should be good. But the thing did get significantly louder at wide open throttle. At idle it got a little louder, but yeah, wide open throttle it definitely woke this thing up. And I am running the Billy Boat Fusions, the one that has the valves in it. You can switch between like a loud and quiet. Honestly, I wasn't too impressed with the difference that it makes, but I will say that it does sound a lot better with the headers and catless X-pipe. Oh my gosh, guys, it sounds so much better. So much better. And it might just be in my head too, but I feel like the headers gave me some oomph, some more horsepower. I don't know, it might just be in my head, but I do feel like it got a little bit more, like when we get up in the upper RPMs, it feels like it pulls a little bit harder. I have no idea. I didn't dyno it before. I haven't dynoed it after the headers, but I feel like it made a difference. Man, if you guys own C5s, they're an awesome bang for your buck sports car, for real. They went down in value quite a bit. They're super affordable, and they're just a great car, guys. You get quite a bit of car for not a lot of money, and they're not, you know, 1,000 horsepower fast. You know, they have 350 horsepower stock, but you can have a lot of fun with 350 horsepower. And I'm looking forward to doing a cam, intake, heads, all that, you know, later on down the line. But even right now, I mean, the thing's completely stock. I just did headers, exhaust, and it sounds so good, guys. It sounds really, really good. I'm actually really excited that I got all this done. When I open it up here, she bellows. It sounds pretty good. I am getting a little could see that it was a little bit wavy beforehand, because I heard it and I checked it out, and it is wobbling a little bit. It didn't look too bad, but yeah, I can still hear it. Just play her by ear here. Guess the harmonic balancer flies off and destroys my LS1. We just got to go bigger and badder, right? Oh my gosh. So we got this old school like 30s sedan, and if you guys see in through the window, I don't know if you can, this vehicle just pulls this big trailer right in front of this. I thought they were gonna collide. That would have been a nasty wreck. Get some pop action and some burble. See what we can get. Ooh, we got a Challenger pulling up next to us here. Anything's possible. He's got the Hemi in there. In between every shift, it just sounds good. Huge difference, guys, with the header and X-pipe. Headers and X-pipe, huge difference. Speed engineering, good job. Super cheap. Everything went in awesome. I honestly have nothing but good things to say. The alignment was just a tad off, but it's all adjustable towards the back with my cab pack. I got everything to fit. Tips are on straight. Looks good. Everything's tucked up, I would say, pretty good. I guess the only bad thing would be the clamps, and that's a known issue, so I didn't go into it thinking that the clamps were going to work. I went and bought clamps that I needed, and I did weld up the X-pipe, so I don't have to worry about that leaking. But yeah, guys, I am super happy with, I mean, the sound difference is huge with no CADs. I mean, I had an X-pipe on it, but it was CADed, and then I'm sure the headers, you know, helped the tone of it a little bit, but so much better, and it got way louder. Alright guys, this is the giveaway item. It's a 3/8 air regulator, so if you guys want to start shooting paint or regulate the air pressure on some of your guys' tools, this will do it. It has a gauge that'll go into the regulator, and it has a twist locking knob on the top to adjust it. How to enter: all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below entered, and you'll have one entry. And I'm actually going to be doing a double entry. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll plug it right here. I'll post a photo of this, and all you have to do is put in the comments of that photo entered, and you will have 2 entries if you put in on YouTube and Instagram. The winner will be announced on the 16th of this month, and I will get a hold of the winner, and then we're going to get this thing shipped out. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the support so far. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.